Hi, so for some time now, I've been sharing tips on how you can create a PayPal account in Ghana and other places where PayPal is currently restricted. I've also been sharing tips on how you can manage your funds and all of that. Now, in this video, we're going to look at how you can transfer money from your PayPal account into your local bank account with the help of Payoneer. Let's get right into it. Over here in your PayPal account, you have the option to link a bank or card. Now, if you go ahead and click on link a card, it's going to open this page for you where you just put in your card details, you select a card type, expiration date, code, and address, and you just go ahead and link your card. Okay, now if we come back and click on link a bank, it will give us the option to choose the account type from checking, savings, business checking, business savings, and then here it says the IBAN number, phone number, and then billing address. Okay, now if you scroll down right to the bottom of this page, you see here it says link a US bank instead. If you click on that, it will give you the option to choose the account type between checking or savings, and then it asks you only two things: the routing number and then the account number. As soon as you put this information, you can go ahead and click link your bank. Now, you probably don't have a US bank account, so you may be wondering, how do I get one? Wait, let's go to Pioneer. Let me show you something. Payoneer is an online payment processing platform. It essentially allows you to receive payment from all around the world. Okay, now if you're new to Payoneer, the first thing you need to do is to register for an account. So you click that button and then you choose possibly an individual. If you're doing this for a business, you can choose freelancer or SMB, but then I'll just say, go with individual, and then choose the first option, get the full power of Payoneer to both send and receive global payments. Okay, you click on that and then you click on register. From here, you can just go through this step by step and create your Payoneer account. It's very simple. You just need a few information to verify it. Nothing biggie. It's available in Ghana. You don't need any extra stuff to get this working. Okay, as soon as you're done creating your Payoneer account, you can sign in and you'll probably be seeing a dashboard similar to what I am seeing here. Okay, now if you look on the left side, you see get paid, pay, Payoneer cards, withdraw and transfer, account activity, so on and so forth. Now we're going to click on get paid. Okay, now when you click on get paid, you look at this tab that says receiving accounts. You click on that. Now when you click on that, you will see UK and USA here. These are two individual accounts linked to your Payoneer account. Okay, now if you use any of these to receive payment, it will come into your Payoneer account. It's your receiving bank account that has been created for you. Okay, now if you're not seeing this, you can quickly activate it. It's very simple. Now if you click on the USA one, it's going to show you the account details, the account name, routing number, account number, and then the account type and everything. You're going to find it here. So now if you go back to your PayPal wallet, it says checking. Okay, and then there's a routing number, and then there's also account number. So now what we will do is we'll copy our routing number here, and then we go into our PayPal wallet, we'll paste that there, we come back, and then we'll copy our account number as well, and then we paste that also here. And as soon as we're done, we just click on link your bank. This is simply going to link your PayPal account to your bank account that's created within your Payoneer account. And this is a US checking account. So anytime that money is transferred from your PayPal account to that bank account, it's going to show up in your Payoneer account. And of course, you can easily connect your Payoneer account to your Ghana bank account, which will make it easier for you to move money from there to your local bank account. And for you to do that, you just go over here to where it says bank accounts. Okay, you click on bank accounts here, and then you see here bank accounts for withdrawal. Okay, you click on bank accounts for withdrawal, and then over here you can see I already have one bank account verified here. You can just click on add account, and then here you can add your bank account details, by following this process. And as soon as you're done, you can move money from your Payoneer account into your personal bank account. So I'll say Payoneer is a great platform that you can use for all of this. It's amazing. I do recommend that you get one for yourself. If even you're not using it to connect to your PayPal account, you can create a Payoneer account and use it for so many transactions. And of course, if you look down here, right beneath these currencies, there's an option to order for a card. Okay, you see this order card here. When you click on any of them, like this USD one, order card, it gives you the option to order for a virtual card or a physical card, which can be delivered to you via shipping. Okay, now if you click on next, it would ask you if you want your virtual card in euro, in USD, or GBP. Now with this virtual card, you'll be able to use it to pay for stuff online, use it for transactions and all of that. Payoneer is a great platform you can use for so many transactions, and of course it's available in Ghana, so I believe a lot of people can create an account here without any stress. So if you don't have a Payoneer account, please check out the link in the description of this video and create one for yourself. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. Kindly go ahead and test out this process. Let me know what happens. If anything at all, share it in a comment. If you have any thoughts, anything at all, let me know in the comment section. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel. Of course, go ahead and like this video, share it to someone who may need it the most, and of course, I'll see you in another video. I'm out.